Traditional healers of Southern Africa are practitioners of traditional African medicine in Southern Africa. Many of the tasks they perform include divination and healing of physical, emotional, and spiritual illnesses, directing birth or death ceremonies and protecting warriors from witchcraft. They also narrate the history, cosmology, and concepts of their culture, as well as explaining the history, cosmology, and concepts of their culture to outsiders. His death in 2014 was a major loss to the South African Sangoma community. Khekhe, who was a legendary figure in his own time and a descendant of the renowned Zulu chieftain Dingiswayo, who served as King Shaka's mentor, passed away in 2014. With 14 marriages and more than 100 children, Khekhe was a family man who also had a significant number of individuals groomed to take over the family business from him. Thus, on the 23rd of February each year, his family continues the practice of performing the yearly first fruits ritual, which was begun by prior Zulu kings centuries ago. During this rite, which is held at Khekhe's homestead, which overlooks the Tugela River, Khekhe's home is transformed into a feast, and several of his adult children take part in the festivities. It is expected that a significant number of Sangomas will be in attendance. As a teenager, their father gained control over venomous snakes, and the family has messages and family history to impart about Dingiswayo and how their father came to have this talent. In this event, a big number of Sangomas participate, all of whom are led by the main protagonist, who is holding a number of venomous snakes in his bare hands. Later, Jesus places their heads in his mouth as a demonstration of his superiority over the evil one. Much dancing and singing is taking place, with the younger generation getting in on the action by performing to more contemporary music and dance. One of the few remaining traditional rites is this one, which is one of the few remaining in existence.